This may not be a feature you use often, but when you're looking for just the right look, I'll show you how you can make any image have that old-timey feel with a torn edge in Snagit. Let's do it. Snagit allows users to lean on the cutout feature to remove portions of an image or document, or trim the edges of an image or document. You'll want to navigate to the cutout feature either by locating this icon at the top of your toolbar or by clicking on the More button within your toolbar to find it within the drop-down menu. Doing so reveals several cutout options in the Properties panel on the right. For this task, we're going to choose the cutout property style that provides the torn edge look, but you can see how you can just as easily opt for a straight, wavy, or jagged edge as well. Once you have your property style selected, you'll take your cursor over to the edge of your document or image, place it near the edge, and click and drag where you'd like the torn edges to appear. You'll do this step both horizontally and vertically, leaning on that Properties panel to adjust the direction of your tear. And that's it. With a few clicks within Snagit, you have a really nice, old-timey edge result.